Hey guys, welcome back to M Vlogs. This was supposed to be a vlog earlier, but that day I was running late and short of time, so I couldn't shoot properly. But I have tried to, shoot, but it's not in a proper format so that I can, put it as a vlog. So I decided to do the storyline along with those bits and clips of the particular day. So let's get started. Okay, so those of you who are following me on Instagram and have watched all my latest video know about this. But those of you who don't know, first subscribe to my channel and go follow me on my Instagram to stay updated next time. But for now, let me tell you. So very recently, I got shortlisted for a Khadi fashion show which is organized by VIA. So for the first round, we had to make a video wherein we are showing our outfit, doing some walk and introducing ourselves at last. So without the introduction part, I have already posted that video on my Instagram ID. I'll play here, but the sound will be off due to copyright issues. So you can check that video on my Instagram. I'll keep that video on my story today, like the day which I post this video. So without boring you guys much, let's go to 19th directly. It's 12:44. I have just 45 minutes to get ready, shoot and have lunch. So we'll do this quick and easy. I won't be elaborating about the products or showing you in-depth makeup routines. If you want such videos, comment down and I have already made a few videos regarding this. I'll keep the link here. So now let's get ready. First thing first, I have to wear lenses, and now most people have the question like when to wear lenses while doing a makeup. The answer is wear lenses first and then start with your makeup. Otherwise, while you will wear lenses after your makeup, you will destroy your whole makeup. So it's preferable and the best option is to wear lenses before you start with your makeup, especially your eye makeup. This is what happens when I wear lenses, and I think most of you face this. Lenses done, now I'll change into my outfit. Most of you know what my outfit is because you have watched my previous video, but if you haven't, link is here. Look, I know it's too gaudy, but along with the outfit and due to those lights, this will look good. And now I'll have my lunch and then complete with the lipstick and hair bye. I don't have a habit of having breakfast, so I directly eat lunch, and that day I had no time to have lunch as well, so I had my lunch in car. इतना लेट थी कि मुझे लंच लेने का टाइम नहीं था, एंड देन हेयर स्टाइल में भी मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पैनिक करके कुछ अजीब सा करी थी, तो हमने स्किप कर दिया था हेयर स्टाइल घर पे। वहाँ जाके हम टाइम पे पहुँच गए, इसलिए वी हैड लाइक गुड 20-30 मिनट्स टू गेट इनटू द फाइनल लुक। सो उधर बैठ के मैंने फ़ोन के कैमरा पे लाइक रिकॉर्ड करते करते प्लस द मिरर, छोटे से मिरर में बैठ के अपना पूरा हेयर स्टाइल किया। was taken care of well. Proper sanitization, temperature check before entering, and then उधर पे भी पूरा सैनिटाइजेशन चल रहा था, स्टेज पे, चेयर्स पे, एट एवरीवेयर पॉसिबल. एंड जितने कम लोग हो सकते थे उतने कम लोग थे. एक जने के साथ सिर्फ एक ही जना और अलाउड था, मतलब नो एक्स्ट्रा पीपल. एंड बाकी सब जूम पे लाइव देख रहे थे द रैम्प वॉक थिंग. जूम पे सब घर से लाइव देख सकते थे. उन्हें सबको आईडीज दिए हुए थे. एंड यस, एंड देन जब सब रेडी हो गए उसके बाद वी हैड अ प्रैक्टिस वॉक. लाइक बेसिकली नॉट अ प्रॉपर प्रैक्टिस, बट कहाँ से एंटर होना है, कहाँ से बाहर जाना है, एक बार वॉक करके देख लिया. एंड दैट वाज नॉट इवन अ प्रॉपर स्टेज. उस पर पूरा वो फर का कुछ लगा था. दैट वाज वेरी सॉफ्ट. आई वाज अबाउट टू फॉल दैट डे. बट या दैट वाज माई वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम, सो शिट स्केयर. We had a photo shoot. Like, they were kind enough to get us a photographer, and he clicked pictures for us, like 2-3 pictures, but yes, they were kind enough to send those pictures to us as well, and they arranged it from their side, so thank you for that. So yes, pictures are here. And then finally the event started. We were 5 to 6 people together, and we were standing at the backstage, very scared and nervous. And the people in front, the judges and everyone was giving long speeches, and we were standing there. And then finally the first round began. As soon as the first round ended, I literally ran into the conference room where we were sitting together, and then we have to change there itself. Complete change of outfit, hairstyle, thoda sa makeup, everything. And first round में मेरा बंद था with dozens of clip. तो सारी clips निकालना and then changing it to other hairstyle, it was very hectic, but we did that. But I don't have any proper pictures for every outfit because time ही नहीं था pictures का. So I'll wear those outfits definitely again and do that makeup, everything again, and click pictures. But I don't know when, but I'll do that very soon. So again, after the second round, the same thing happened again, but this time we had a quite long time because जितने भी मॉडल्स थे उनके पहले डिज़ाइनर विथ मॉडल दे वर 2 थिंग्स गोइंग ऑन टुगेदर. सो उनका पहले क्वेश्चन आंसर चल रहा था. सो वी हैड टाइम अच्छा खासा, बट वी वर ऑल रेडी. क्या करते हो टाइम का. सो आई वॉज सो टायर्ड ऑफ दोज ईयरिंग्स, हैवी ईयरिंग्स. मतलब मैं लिटरली ईयरिंग्स उठा के बैठी थी कि जैसे ही फर्स्ट बंदा जाएगा, माई नंबर वाज 5, तो जैसे ही वो जाएगा उसके बाद आई विल वेयर ईयरिंग्स. ऐसा हो रहा था. And I didn't had phone tab, so I don't have any BTS with that, but yes. And finally the third round began. So the third round ended and it was time for results. In 10-15 minutes they gave out the result. But there were 2 prizes, first and second, and I didn't won any, but I was really happy because I had a complete different experience of doing this from start, building my outfit, getting the jewelry, hairstyles, makeup, and getting everything into place. That was really amazing, and I had a great experience. I learned new things and I made new friends there. So that was really nice. And yes, so after 5 or 6 hours of this hustle, we were finally home and we were off to bed. That's it for this video. Hope you guys liked it, and if you liked it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.